There are a lot of really great souvenirs at EPCOT. It's probably one of the most unique shopping experiences at the Walt Disney World Resort because they have stuff from all over the world in all of the countries that are featured in World Showcase. Of course, there's great stuff over in Future World or World Celebration, World Nature, you know, in the front of the park too. But an old favorite just re-released here at EPCOT, and I can't wait to tell you about it. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So buckle up, this is gonna be a fun one. Starting off our morning in the land today. I know, not quite the place to be, but I'm gonna be here. Starting off our day with living with the land. I know what you're thinking, rope dropping, living with the land. Probably not some people's first choice, but I'm into it.
One day, many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat.
Oh, this right here is my
through our
plan.
living laboratories. If you'd like a closer look, then check out the Behind the Scenes walking tour. It's a chance for the whole family.
All right, we've successfully killed some time. Now we're gonna make our way over to Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. It's been far too long since we've ridden that, so got a boarding group. Gonna head over there now. Then back to World Showcase, because we got stuff to talk about. Man, I forget how long a walk it is around all those construction walls. Whew. I definitely should have started my day over here as opposed to on the other side. I feel like it's taking forever to get over to Cosmic Rewind.
Greetings, Terrans.
Man, that was so much fun. I love that ride. And I got a new song, which was really cool. Actually, it wasn't just cool because it was a new song. I didn't even realize that this song was an option, and it's one of my favorites, so very cool start to the day. We've made it to China. I'm gonna pull off at this table in the shade, and I wanna talk to you a little bit about this souvenir that I mentioned. So there used to be this really cool souvenir that they would sell here at EPCOT. It was one of my favorite things. It was a passport. And if you've heard me talk about EPCOT before, you know that this is where I learned to love traveling and exploring new things. And it all started right here in World Showcase and with this souvenir. And while I remember seeing it back in 2019, although I may or may not be misremembering that, it disappeared for a few years, but now it's back. And so of course I got my hands on one. This was $14.99 before discounts. It's the coolest thing. So it's a passport and stickers. It also comes with this fancy button that I have here on my bag. And the idea is that you take this passport around World Showcase and you can document your travels around the world. Now, it kind of looks like a real passport. It's the size of a real passport. And on the inside, it has the watermarks on the pages that look like a real passport too, which is just so cool. And this is what it says on the inside. At EPCOT World Showcase, the dream of travel becomes a reality through the celebration of the cultures and people of the world community. World Showcase highlights 11 countries with authentic cuisine, entertainment, architecture, and representatives. Yes, here in World Showcase, the people who work in the countries are actually from those countries. This passport is designed to enhance and enrich your visit to each country, document your travels with the included stamps, make notes of your adventures, and visit the cultural representatives. Receive a special departure validation at designated locations before leaving. Suggestions for using and enjoying this passport. Explore the 11 World Showcase countries. During your tour of each country, adhere the stamp for that country in your passport. Your passport has areas for notations while on your country-to-country tour. Before leaving, have your passport validated at the designated location in each country. Share your discoveries and thoughts. How cool is that? And of course, on the front, we have the flags from all the countries. There's a place to put all of your information. And like they said, each page has a place where you can put information as well. And just like it said, there are stickers for each of the countries. And there are so many stickers to adhere in your passport to document your travels. I love this. I'm so excited that I could get my hands on it, and I am looking forward to going around World Showcase with you and filling up this passport. So that's what we're gonna do. Also, I know you can hear the soothing sounds of construction, so let me show you what's happening over there in World Showcase Lagoon. That big old machine is what's making this noise this morning. Very exciting stuff. Definitely enhances the World Showcase exploration experience. Am I right? Now, of course, the plan is not to fill this passport today. We got nothing but time. So we're gonna enjoy this. But maybe we'll stop in somewhere, get a stamp. I'll tell you what, as we continue to make our way around World Showcase, I'm starting to see menus for food and wine pop up. I am so excited. Also pretty hungry, so that might be why I'm excited. All right, I've got my hat on. It's pretty toasty, and I was thinking, I think we're not gonna do any of the passport today. I think we're gonna come back and make a thing of it. Let me know your thoughts in a comment.
Tommy, I'm back.
But like I said, I'm hungry. So I think I'm gonna pop over to the EPCOT area resorts and grab something to eat. With the Skyliner out here, I could easily go get food at any of the Skyliner resorts, which is very tempting, especially with Riviera being so absolutely delicious. But I do have plans to eat at Riviera in a couple days, so I have to wait for the family. I gotta be a good daughter, you know? Of course, there are plenty of really delicious places to eat over in the EPCOT area. There's pizza, which is really good, over on Boardwalk. Mac and cheese, more mac and cheese variety than you can even dream up over at the Beach Club. Of course, there's a ton of other stuff too. So let me know what you would get if you were here with me right now. Where would you go? What would you grab? Java seems like a good option too. They got some great sandwiches over there. That's at the Swan. I don't know if we're gonna go all the way to the Swan today. Well, I don't know about you, but I think today has been a lot of fun. I hope that you had the opportunity to learn about this new, very affordable souvenir and activity that you can do when visiting Walt Disney World, specifically Epcot. But I think this is where we're gonna end our day. I need to grab some food, then I have some other things I need to do. So I think we'll leave it here. But like I said, let me know what you would get if you were here with me right now. What snack or lunch options are you reaching for? Put it in the comments, hit that like button. If you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.